Are you looking for the best treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Horizon 7.4 AT. The Horizon 7.4 AT is refreshingly simple and the go-to machine if you're fighting subscription fatigue. This is a solid feeling, full-size treadmill that you can really hammer on. Running or rucking on this machine doesn't faze it in the slightest. It feels like it's built to stand the test of time. Though the console itself is simple, pairing it with a tablet reveals functionality comparable to the NordicTrack X24, without being stuck with a subscription you don't want or a bricked machine. Our test team particularly appreciated the ergonomics and control design. I love the distinctive rolling control wheels and found them easier to use than buttons or paddles, noted tester and ultra runner Natalie Kafader. Bluetooth FTMS, two-way communication technology, lets you follow classes and have the treadmill respond to class prompts by automatically adjusting speed and incline. This lets you zone out and enjoy the run without fussing with controls. While it integrates seamlessly with apps like Peloton and Zwift, the ability to function perfectly as a standalone unit really sets it apart. The large silicone belt glides over a flexible cushioning system that absorbs impact with each footfall, giving a cloud-like feel that noticeably affects our legs after runs. Assembly proved more challenging than competing models. It's big and heavy, 318 pounds, to be exact, and requires dedicated floor space. For those prioritizing a quiet workout environment, the 7.4 operates at just 61.4 dB, among the quietest in its class. The robust motor and reinforced steel frame accommodate users up to 350 pounds. One of the things we loved about this MILT is how quickly the incline adjusts. You can reach 14.7% in just seconds, which makes it ideal for HIIT workouts. If you want to avoid subscription services and ongoing app fees, the Horizon 7.4 AT is a solid machine with no surprises. Those seeking a marginally larger screen and a 375 pounds weight capacity can opt for the Horizon 7.8 AT for an additional $300. Number 2. NordicTrack Commercial 1750. The newest version of the Commercial 1750 is slightly narrower and caps the incline at 12%, down from 15%. What really impressed us about the 1750 is how comfortable it was for extended mileage. Ample space, a delightful console, and a more cushioned deck than most make this a machine that you don't mind spending hours on. This machine is a powerhouse and reacts quickly to your input. I put several hundred miles on this machine and felt like I could zone out with few reservations, never concerned I'd kick the shroud or motor cover. The seamless integration with iFit made the 1750 a tester favorite. Using the 16-inch swivel screen to immerse yourself in scenic outdoor runs, with the auto-adjust feature automatically adjusting your speed and incline to match the terrain, is a genuine set-it-and-forget-it experience. Physically, the deck is massive, and the console doesn't place any limitations on your stride or shake like a washing machine when you kick up to high speeds. While the machine is a favorite for distance running, it isn't perfect. When you're running in manual mode, the console buttons are harder to reach mid-run than the handrail controls on the Horizon or Peloton machines. Just like other gym-quality treadmills, it eats up floor space, even when folded. If you have the room and want a premium, guided training experience, the 1750 is hard to beat. Avoid this machine if you don't have dedicated space or want to run steep inclines. Look to the X16 for the latter. Number 3. Peloton Tread. Treadmills don't have to be just a belt and a motor, they can be an entire ecosystem of motivation. The Peloton Tread is the polar opposite of a no-nonsense machine. This is a premium, high-tech command center designed for those who need a community to stay moving. If the Horizon 7.4 AT is for the runner who wants to be left alone, the Peloton is for the runner who wants a world-class coach in their ear and a leaderboard to climb. This is a remarkably sleek, heavy-duty machine that feels less like gym equipment and more like high-end furniture. Despite its slim waterfall deck design, the tread feels exceptionally stable even during all-out sprints. Our test team noted that even at its top speed of 12.5 miles per hour, there was virtually no screen shake, a common issue with other connected treadmills. Much like the Horizon and Echelon, the Tread utilizes intuitive handrail controls rather than tiny console buttons. The notched rolling dials for speed and incline are arguably the best in the industry, noted tester and ultra runner Amber Weeble. They allow for micro adjustments without breaking your stride, which is critical during high-intensity intervals. The center of the experience is the massive 23.8-inch HD touchscreen. The display is crisp and vibrant and now features a swivel mount, allowing you to transition seamlessly from running to floor-based strength or yoga classes. With the Peloton All Access membership, $49.99 per MO, you gain access to thousands of live and on-demand classes, as well as just run entertainment integration for streaming Netflix, Disney+, and Max. However, be warned, without a subscription, the Tread is essentially bricked into a basic manual mode, lacking the standalone versatility of the Horizon. While it lacks the cloud-like slat belt of its more expensive sibling, the Tread Plus, the standard Tread's traditional belt sits on a series of rubber dampers that provide a firm yet responsive feel. It's a runner's deck, firm enough for good energy return but forgiving enough to save your joints during long-distance efforts. If you're already using the Peloton bike, treadmill classes won't cost you additional fees. Number 4. Soul F80. The Soul F80 is a workhorse designed for home use. We love that it's subscription-free and has an excellent warranty. The machine is exceptionally stable, featuring a rock-solid Z-shaped frame and a spacious running surface that accommodates tall runners and higher weight capacities without the wobbling found in cheaper units. The most recent update added a 10.1-inch Android touchscreen and wireless phone charging, making it a functional hub for those using the free Soul Plus app or their preferred app. These strengths are balanced by a few performance trade-offs, notably a motor that is slow to adjust speeds and even slower to adjust incline. This makes the F80 less than ideal for athletes who prioritize high-intensity interval training. Soul's Cushion Flex deck is designed to be quite firm to mimic the feel of outdoor road running, so it may not be the best fit for those seeking the ultra-soft, joint-friendly impact of a Peloton or NordicTrack. Finally, while the 4 transport wheels make it easier to push across a floor, the machine's massive weight and bulky footprint make it difficult to assemble and a poor choice for tight living spaces.